The year is 2154. High above the skyline of Neo-Paris, on the 127th floor of a Sky Needle tower, a new kind of fashion studio quietly hums with life. Here, clothing is not stitched. It is engineered. Model Kaelen steps onto the illuminated platform, wearing nothing but a simple black base layer suit, a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. A soft chime echoes through the room. The scan begins. Thousands of nanosensors rotate around her body. Every detail is captured. Every curve. Every movement. Even the smallest micro-expression on her face. This system doesn't just measure a body. It learns how that body lives, breathes, and moves. Across the room stands Rylan. Not a traditional designer. Not someone who sketches on paper. He designs with algorithms. With a simple gesture, he releases the AI. Initiate generative design, theme, liquid architecture. In milliseconds, millions of possibilities are born. The air around Kaelen begins to shimmer. Like heat rising from summer asphalt. From hidden vents in the ceiling, billions of microscopic particles drift into the air. Smart dust. The building blocks of programmable matter. And the dress begins to exist. Kaelen looks down. The particles are no longer floating. They are bonding. Connecting. Forming the first layer of fabric across her arm. It looks like liquid metal. Cool. Fluid. Almost alive. On the microscopic level, billions of nanothreads weave themselves together. Chrome dragon scales emerge, one by one. Each scale reacts to temperature, movement, and light. The fabric doesn't just sit on the body. It breathes with it. Rylan circles slowly. Like a sculptor studying marble before the first cut. But instead of chisels, he uses gravity. With a subtle gesture, the dress stretches downward. A flowing train extends 2 meters behind Kaelen. And yet, it never touches the floor. The bodice sharpens into geometric folds. Like futuristic architecture shaped by light. Soft cyan bioluminescence glows inside the structure. Pulsing gently. In perfect rhythm with Kaelen's heartbeat. But something is missing. Perfection. It's too perfect. Rylan reaches for the haptic stylus, a tool that allows him to touch the code itself. With a single tap. The dress responds. A ripple spreads across the fabric. Like a stone dropped into liquid metal. As the wave travels upward. The chrome surface erupts into color. Deep purples. Electric blues. Acid greens. A beautiful imperfection. A human signature inside an AI creation. Kaelen takes her first step. Instantly, the dress adapts. Soft when she bends. Structured when she poses. The colors shift with every movement. The garment is no longer static. It's alive. She walks toward the mirror. Behind her, the glowing train flows like a river of liquid light. Guided by invisible magnetic fields. Rylan walks beside her, silent. Watching not the dress. But the way she moves in it. The mirror reveals more than reflection. Data scrolls beside her image. Structural integrity. Energy consumption. Dynamic color state. But Kaelen barely notices the numbers. For a moment. She simply sees the art. Rylan steps beside her. Their reflections stand together in the glass. Creator. And creation. Their eyes meet in the mirror. No words are needed. Just a quiet understanding. The final portrait is simple. Kaelen stands in front. Her iridescent gown shifting endlessly with light and motion. Rylan stands behind her. A designer. A collaborator. And a witness to the future. Because in 2154, fashion isn't just worn. It's generated.